Hello guys, today we are going to prepare boiled yam with nice stew. The stew is a surprise, so keep in touch with me. First of all, peel the yam. Slice them nicely into your preferred shapes. I love it this way. Wow! Prepare your garden eggs. Add small pepper. I prefer to do this with small pepper to avoid heartburns. You can choose to add more pepper if you like. That's the red palm oil on fire. Then I added my salted dry fish, popularly known as kobe in Ghana. Put in sliced onion. Make sure the onion is plenty if you like. Get garden eggs for blending or grinding. Add boiled pepper and small onion. Add tomatoes. Add mashed groundnut. Add water if you are going to blend. If you are going to go with the grinding step, add small water to make it paste after grinding. Now our onion is still on fire, frying with the dry salted fish. Now you add your mixture made up of garden eggs, mashed groundnuts, small onion, tomatoes, and boiled pepper. After adding this mixture, you are going to have a nice aroma around. add your seasoning spices. I chose Maggi. I added half mackerel. If you don't have mackerel, you can choose to add any canned fish or meat, any dry fish like salmon, tuna, or any kind of fish that you know. Stir it very well. Rinse the mackerel can with water and pour it into your blender and add it into your stew. Leave it on fire for some time. Stir it regularly to avoid settling of the groundnut. Now add 1 egg. Wait for some time, then stir it. I did not add salt, but it's already tasting good because of the salted dry fish. And how I wish you are here with me to taste this. This food tastes great, and that is why I'm teaching you this new recipe. Try it at home and your husband is going to be glued to you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Subscribe for more.